So, Steve, do you want to just run us through the installation process, what we've got happening here for this site?
Yeah, so the project itself is 122 townhouses in Port Melbourne, all triple-storey, all with variant designs. There's probably about 4 to 5 different designs that we have to work around and design. Within that, the timeline of that process is around the 13-month build time. Unlike other developments, in this case, we are trying to build everything at the same time. So there's no break in between stages. It's really just push, push, push.
Yeah.
To get the speed of construction through what we need on this development, we needed a product that could work with us by getting a mass-produced product out here to be able to resource the project to enable that fast turnaround of every single townhouse. Multi-panel was able to take over those traditional methods and be a single one-stop shop of a installation methodology, rather than waiting on a few different trades to come in and get that waterproof solution. Something special to this project is a 3rd floor balcony. So to get the actual material up here, you would need cranes, you would need a lot of labour to get that traditional cement screed up here, where in this case, the panels are so lightweight that can actually be hand transported upstairs or craned up if we do have a crane on site. So it does save us a lot of time and money in that space as well.
Sure. And the installers are getting through a balcony in a couple of hours, so your extra trades can come in and lead other stuff like cladding.
Yeah, spot on.
So, Steve, tell us a bit about this project, what we've got on here.
Yeah, so we've got 122 triple-storey townhouses here at Port Melbourne. Yep. So to build something like this at scale at the one time, we needed a product that enabled us to move quickly through the wet area process, which can be time-consuming with the traditional screed. The multi-panel filled that gap of being able to get it in and move that process quickly without having to wait for dry times.
And obviously the speed at which you guys are building, I think from memory, it's about a 12-month build time.
Yeah, 12 to 13 months on average is what we're taking. We've already handed over half the product. So yeah, moving quite quickly through it. And the multi-panel product has enabled us to really push that through, especially during these winter months. To try and get that down quickly is very important.
Yeah, obviously one of the key points there is multi-panel being a prefabricated waterproofing solution. No drying times, curing time, pretty time consuming waiting for screeds to dry, all the weather to clear up to be able to get them down.
Spot on, that's the main thing.
The installation of multi-panels, it being a completely dry product, it enables trades to come on quickly.
Yeah, great point. So our process here is we'll get the multi-panel down. We'll actually waterproof the perimeters to make sure that we're watertight downstairs to enable that next process to continue. But it also enables us to work on top of the product, finish off all our cladding, paint it all, get all the rendering complete, and then come back through and finish off our waterproofing, ready for tiling.
Yeah, perfect. So going from a wet trade and a no-go zone to a completely dry subtrade, obviously giving you guys some benefit, moving the project forward and
spot on,
compressing those build schedules.
Spot on. I guess the main benefits of why Shaped Homes used this product here at Port Lane was once the product is installed, it is a waterproof product in itself. So that was a massive plus for us to use that here.
Yeah. So then from an engineering perspective, how did this help the Shaped Homes team?
Yeah, so through that design phase, the structural engineers were able to create a more efficient structure for us, both in build and member sizing due to its lightweight nature.
Yeah, sure. So of a balcony of this size, it's probably around 27 odd square metres. Traditionally, you're looking probably about 2.5 tonne to 3 tonne of weight of the screed, versus our multi-panel systems looking at about 100 to 110 kilos. Massive weight saving and difference for you guys. Hopefully it's helped you guys and benefit from that. And then lastly, do you want to just touch on how the multi-panel system has enabled you guys to be able to sleep a bit better at night?
Yeah, absolutely. So from that multi-panel process, we get a shop drawing which shows all the falls and nominated falls on the balcony. We were able to review that, do a QA process on that, ensure that we are getting that correct fall compared to the traditional method of having a tiler come through and screeding it. There could be some human error involved in that.
Exactly, yeah. So yeah, really important, critical phase for the multi-panel to have a system that has the correct and appropriate falls. It's a known outcome. You know what you're going to get is a part of our system of what we do. Thanks very much, Steve, for having us out here. To you and the Shaped Homes team, it certainly is an impressive product, and what you've been able to achieve out here in such a short time is, nothing short of pretty spectacular. So congratulations again, and thanks again for your time.
Appreciate it. Thanks.